Tower, Sky 220 Whiskey Charlie at runway 35, ready for departure.
Sky 220 Whiskey Charlie, Salt Lake Tower, roger. And Sky 0 Whiskey Charlie, do you want to go north or south?
0 Whiskey Charlie would like to go southbound.
They're such idiots.
Sky 0 Whiskey Charlie, wind 3606, runway 35, clear for takeoff, traffic to Challenger on an 8-mile final.
Clear for takeoff, runway 35, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Runway 35.
Griffin 16, radar contact, altitude.
Close to the ground.
4,700, Griffin 16.
Griffin 16, contact tower 120.2.
You're so tense.
0.2.
Because I gotta hold this thing to the freaking ground.
There.
Airspeed isn't coming alive.
There you go.
Oh, wait.
Huh.
That's a problem.
That is a problem. Flight controls.
Air controls.
Ah. Shit. And Tower 220 Whiskey Charlie is aborting their takeoff.
Sky 220 Whiskey Charlie, roger. Do you need any assistance?
That's a negative. We just, our airspeed indicator's not working.
Sky 0 Whiskey Charlie, roger. And when able, turn right and contact ground point enter.
Roger, 220 Charlie. What? Oh, freak.
What?
Oh, no,
Oh, wow.
that's our fuel vent. That shouldn't be a problem.
What? What happened?
Alright, just a little overfuel.
Oh.
Alright.
Stay here? Or?
Hold on.